How to convert Amazon tracking numbers into Bluecare Express tracking numbers with Yaballe tool. Is it manual method or automatic on Yaballe? Do we need to update trackings after delivered? If yes, then how you can do that easily? And what is one-click updater? Please keep watching this video till end. Don't skip it if you want to understand something. Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are fine and well. I'm 𝐒𝐤𝐻 from 𝐒𝐨𝐜𝐤𝐚 with Fun YouTube channel, back again with the new video. In this video, I'll show you guys how to convert Amazon tracking numbers into Bluecare Express tracking numbers with Yaballe tool, and how you can update your BCE trackings after delivered. Before walking ahead towards our topic, I would like to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Let's get started.
Here on Amazon, I have an order with Amazon tracking number. Let's convert it into Bluecare Express tracking number with Yaballe. First of all, I will copy these buyer details. Now I will come in Yaballe Auto Tracking tab. You can automate tracking conversion when subscribed to their auto order processing system. But I didn't subscribe to their auto order OA, that's why I'm gonna convert tracking manually. Click on More and then click on Manual Change to BCE tracking number. Here you will get a form to fill out for mandatory details. Make sure to stay in this check circle when you want to get converted your Amazon trackings to BCE. I'll paste copy details here and fill accordingly. Buyer name, street, city, state, zip code. Now copy the Amazon tracking page link for that specific order and paste it here. Now come on Amazon order page and right click, then click on source code. Now press Ctrl A to select all that stuff and copy. Now paste the code here. Now click on send to get it converted. That's cool, we got it. That was how you convert. But when you know this item has been delivered to the customer, you have to update the status of this tracking number manually. You can do it through Yaballe, but you will need to go through with the form filling process like we did before to make BCE tracking. And I know when there are many orders, then it's time taking and headache to update BCE status. I'm gonna show you guys the easiest way to do that. You have to come over this page and drag this update tracking button to your bookmark bar. It's called one-click updater. I will leave this link in the video description below. Now how it's gonna help you easily, let me show you the magic. You just have to come over to Amazon tracking page and click on update tracking button. It will update BCE tracking automatically. Right now this item is just on the way and tracking has been updated again for that. Once it's delivered, I have to come over to this page again to click one-click updater button to get it updated as delivered.
It's done. I hope you guys did like this informative video. If yes, then please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.